Fanesca. Spring soup. A main dish from Ecuador. Serves 4. You will need 21 ingredients. Step 1. Salt cod is dried and very hard. It must be soaked before using. Soak the cod in enough cold water to cover it. Soak for at least 12 hours, and preferably 24. Change the water frequently. Drain the fish and put it in a saucepan with enough fresh water to cover it. Bring to a boil and then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook until the fish is tender, about 15 minutes. Remove the fish, but retain the fish water. Remove any skin and bones from the fish. Cut into half-inch pieces. Step 4. Heat the butter in large saucepan and sauté the onion and garlic until the onion is soft. Add the dry seasonings and sauté an additional minute. Add 1 cup of water and bring to a boil. Add all the remaining ingredients, lower the heat to a simmer and gently cook for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to add the fish and fish water. If the soup seems too thick, add a little bit more milk to thin it out and simmer a few more minutes. Add the cheese. Stir and the soup is now ready to serve. When the soup has been poured into soup bowls, garnish each serving with a slice of egg. Note, this soup is known as spring soup since it uses vegetables first available during spring. It is a traditional dish during Lent since it contains fish and no other meat products.